Winter's breathtaking beauty often comes hand in hand with the daunting task of snow removal, turning what should be a serene, peaceful morning into a strenuous, exhausting chore that nobody looks forward to. Traditional shoveling is back-breaking work that leaves you exhausted, sore, and drained as you struggle with heavy snow piles, wishing desperately for an easier, more efficient way to clear your driveways and paths. Imagine a world where snow removal is no longer a dreaded, time-consuming task, but instead a quick, effortless, and even enjoyable part of your everyday winter routine. Introducing the Cordless Snow Shovel, your powerful new ally against winter's heaviest snowfall. Featuring a vibrant orange design with black auger blades, red handles, and a telescoping silver pole. This innovative tool is expertly designed to make snow removal manageable, effortless, and far less taxing, completely transforming your entire winter experience for the better. Say goodbye to the strain of manual labor. And hello to superior efficiency with its impressive 13-inch wide cleaning path and substantial 6.5-inch depth capability. It tackles even the deepest snow with remarkable ease, clearing a full 13-inch width and 6.5-inch depth in a single smooth pass, saving you precious time, energy, and effort every time. But it's not just about clearing snow. It's about delivering real power, as this shovel boasts impressive performance that throws snow a significant distance away from your path. Watch in amazement as it effortlessly propels snow up to 20 feet away through its adjustable chute, ensuring your cleared driveways and walkways stay perfectly clear and safe. Comfort is absolutely key during long winter tasks, and the ergonomic dual-handle design is thoughtfully crafted to significantly reduce strain on your back, arms, and overall body. Its fully adjustable anti-slip handles provide a secure and comfortable grip, empowering you to work longer hours without the usual discomfort or fatigue setting in. These powerful 24-volt lithium-ion batteries from brands like Works ensure you have ample runtime, providing up to 25 minutes of continuous operation on a single charge. Weighing only 9.3 pounds, it's incredibly convenient for taking and using anytime, anywhere, fitting easily into your car trunk or a small space in your garage without hassle. Experience the pure joy of a perfectly clear path, without the nagging backache, biting cold exposure, or endless hours of grueling manual shoveling. Make snow removal truly manageable and effortless this season. Get your cordless snow shovel today and reclaim your time, energy, and enjoyment of winter. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.